Difference between weather and climate weather. The day-to-day atmospheric conditions such as temperature, humidity, and rainfall at a particular place. Climate. The average weather conditions of a place over a long period, usually 30 years. Factors influencing climate. Latitude. The distance from the equator affects the climate. Areas near the equator are warmer, while poles are colder. Altitude. Higher altitudes have cooler temperatures. Pressure and wind systems. Air pressure and the flow of wind significantly affect the climate, influencing temperature and rainfall patterns. Distance from the sea. Coastal areas have a moderate climate due to the influence of the sea, while inland areas experience more extreme temperatures. Ocean currents. Warm and cold. Ocean currents also impact coastal climates. Relief. The physical features of the landscape, like mountains, can affect climate, particularly in terms of rainfall patterns. Types of climates in the world. Tropical. Hot and humid near the equator. Dry, arid, and semi-arid. Low precipitation and high temperature. Temperate. Moderate temperature, found in the mid-latitudes. Polar. Extremely cold, near the poles climatic regions of India. India's climate is classified into different regions based on geographical and seasonal factors. Tropical wet, monsoon. High rainfall during the monsoon, found in regions like the Western Ghats and northeastern states. Tropical dry, found in central and southern parts of India, including Rajasthan. Subtropical humid. Found in northern India with cold winters and hot summers. Mountain climate. Cooler, found in Himalayan regions. Monsoon, a major climate factor in India. The chapter explains the Indian monsoon, which brings seasonal rainfall critical for agriculture. Onset of monsoon. Typically arrives in early June and lasts till September. Retreating monsoon. After September, the winds reverse and rainfall decreases. Factors affecting monsoons. Differential heating. The uneven heating of land and water influences the flow of the monsoon winds. The Intertropical Convergence Zone, ITCZ. A belt of low pressure that helps in the development of monsoon winds. El Niño effect, a phenomenon that impacts the strength and timing of monsoon rains in India. Impact of climate on human life. Agriculture. The Indian economy relies heavily on monsoon rains. Water resources. Climate impacts water availability, which is essential for drinking, irrigation, and industry. Natural disasters. Floods, droughts, and cyclones can result from changes in climate patterns.